Well, here's a simple Python code. And can you find the correct output of this code? You can pause the video to think for a moment. So the correct output of this code is 151515. Well, if you didn't understand this code, let me explain. So this is the list A and this is the list B. And in B list, we are doing A star 3. Let me write A first. Now B is A star 3. So instead of creating 3 duplicate elements of 1, it's gonna reference this 3 times. So this is 1, this is 1, and this is 1. And that's also in a list. Now what happens is that 5 is added. And since B list is referencing to A, therefore all the elements here changes like this. 1 5, 1 5, and again 1 5. And that's how we got this as the output.